magda-dive tayo. Let's go. You made it. First cave experience plane. Chill lang si ate dito sa hammock. Ayan. Guys, I think andito na kami sa Grand Cenote. Ayan, magpo-parking lang.
About to leave, already packing.
Hey, what's up?
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So this is how they make the empanada.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Guys, so naligo na kami ni Claire sa ulan. Ito ang bakasyon talaga, guys.
Parang tsunami yung dating sa amin eh.
Look at that, guys. Ayan guys, Grand Cenote. Ayan, ang daming. Oh, okay. Cash? Okay. Welcome sa Grand Cenote. Ang favorite activity ni Claire, swimming with the fish. Ayan, so dito tayo magre-relax. Sabi, dito daw yung bathroom, yung changing area. Ayan guys, nakapagpalit na tayo. So, dito nga pala yung bathroom. And dito yung shower area mamaya. So, required ka mag-shower kapag ka na sa cenote ka, no? Kasi may habitat na nandoon. And, hi Klein, are you ready? Ready na si Klein, no? Gusto niya yan. Dito pala guys, meron din dito yan, kainan dyan. So, I don't know kung pwede ka magbaon. I don't think so, but yan, may parang rest area dyan. And then meron naman dito yan, pwede kang mag-relax dyan, may swing. So, magsiswing ka dyan. Or, ano, hammock. Yan. Sa mga cenote, required ang pag-shower. Tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, nire-require nila ang pag-shower bago bumaba ng cenote. Wow, this is so good. Tingnan nyo guys, nasa baba yung cenote. Wow. Let's go.
Ayan, dito namin sa Grand Cenote. Look, si Clay nauna na oh. Wow.
Clay, let's go.
Is it too cold?
Ha?
Look at Clay.
Hindi, it's okay lang.
May mga maliliit na isda guys na kasama si na mag-swimming. Kanya mo, si Jotso. Ang ganda ng color guys.
Let's go. Let's go, Claire.
We're going inside over there. Oh.
Okay. That's here.
guys, no? Kung makikita nyo. Yan ang cenote. Grand cenote. And tingnan nyo naman yung tubig, guys. Very clear. I think I need a smaller than this. Yeah. Ha? Anong go up? Hindi, pero okay na. So, dive tayo. Sarap, guys. Tingnan natin. At sarap. Sarap. Ha? Hindi naman. Si Andrea. Dive na sila. Ow. Ow. Go, Mal.
Oh my God.
Diyan yung ilalim, guys. Wow, yung rayo. Grabe. Rayo ng ilaw. Let's go. Claire, it's cool. It's much better than the X-Keken and Samula. Kasi much more relaxing, guys. And much more nagugustuhan ng mga bata. Ayan. Ayan, tuwan-tuwa, oh. Ha? Woohoo! Claire, talo na, Claire. Meron pa dun, guys, papasok. Paikot to eh. Tapos meron din dun. So, tingnan natin. Anong tita? You enjoying, tita? Ayan na, nag-enjoy si Klein, guys. Mas gusto niya to kaysa dito sa Samula. Aray, aray. Paa. Cenote, guys. Ayan, yung cenote. Underground siya. And inayos nila. And then, kaya bawal dito ang... No, I'm good. Kaya ayaw nila dito ng like kailangan mag-shower, bawal ang sunscreen or sunblock kasi eto, yung mga nakatira dito. Nakita niyo mga isbarong. Mga isbarong dyan, guys.
Isa lang yung pinakasanay sa gumamit ng life vest.
That's good, ate.
I can't get my stuff.
Okay.
Just relax.
Just relax.
Pull this one, oh.
Pull up. Yeah.
Woo, just swim. Just swim. Oh, yeah.
You got this.
Ma'am, under ka. O, magaganyan ka ba?
Kinaano si Clay.
Uy. Kuweba ba yun? Ayun din, oh. Kuweba ba yun? Klein, saan ka na napupunta, Klein? Ha? Dito ka lang.
Si Clay siya medyo.
Ha? Alright, be. 1, 2, 3, let's dive. Ayaw.
There's a big area then. Doon tayo pupunta.
Saan?
Yung sa loob ng cave.
Ah, yeah. Tara, pasukin natin. Guys, pasukin natin yung kuweba doon. Let's go. Let's go over there. Pasukin natin yung cave.
Over there.
Alright.
We're going there, okay?
We're gonna go for a little adventure with Klein.
We're gonna explore.
Alright, let's go, Claire. Alright, guys, we're gonna go for a little adventure. Mabato dito, ah. Yeah. We're gonna cross the cave. Let's go. Let's go, Klein. Here. Here.
Parang yung
Ha? Ano?
live vest mo.
Oo, okay na. Ay. Aray. Ayan, guys, nasa kuweba na kami. Let's go, Klein. Let's ayan na. Guys, tignan nyo dyan. Ayan. Punta natin yung na yun. Yung stairs na yun. Ayan. Klein, let's go. Klein. Halawa ka mo siya. Dati mo na kasi dinala yan eh. Ayan, guys. Ito yung lahin, guys. Ay. Bakit? Sakit tayo, guys. Let's go. Follow the leader, okay? Oh wow, ang laki ng cave. Guys, di ko alam kung nakikita nyo pa ako. Pero dito tayo sa loob. Uy. Let's go to the other side. Other side. Bravo. Guys, sayang yung GoPro madilim. Hindi nakikita yung mga bats. Nandiyan yung mga bats. Oh. Ayan, kung naririnig niya. No. Then let's go over there. Let's go over there. Sayang di natin dala yung phone, guys. Pero this is a paradise here. Andiyan. Ingay ni Klein. Guys, ito na yung underwater. Oh wow. This is good. We got it. We made it. Oh yeah. We made it. Yes, we made it, guys. Good job. Good job, Claire. Good job. We made it. Sila ma'am na lang sa kasi Clay. Mamaya picture tayo dyan. Mamaya magpipicture photo op kami dito. Ayan. Please, I'm the first. Second si ate. Good job. Mukhang third si Clay, no? Go, Clay. Clay, go. Clay, go. Yeah. Third. You made it. First cave experience, Clay. Crossing the cave. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Good job. First cave. And then the fourth place is Mommy. Mommy. Oh, help Mommy, help Mommy. Help Mommy.
Mama made it.
So, try natin dito mag-cross. Oy.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Let's go. Oh, gusto bumalik. Let's cross over here, Klein.
We're gonna go there again. We're gonna go back.
Yeah.
And then we... Come on. I'm gonna go down.
Wow. Ay! Kailangan siguro mag-picture tayo maya. Ito dito. Mga picture of. Guys, tingnan nyo yung ganda ng cenote. Ayan o. Ganyan siya kaliwanag, guys. Pwede ka mag-swimming dito.
Wait, later.
Kaso, ano. And then dito. Ang sarap ng tubig. Kamusta experience?
So good.
Good? Yeah. Great experience. Look at this. Yan, dami nagre-relax dyan, guys. Oh. Yeah. After mag-cenote. Kasi pag nagbayad mo whole day to hal, no? Yeah. So, krinos namin yung nandun. Tapos yung cave. Tapos dito kami lumabas. So, babalik na lang kami dun sa spot namin. Ayan. So, overall, guys, great experience. Ang sarap. Gusto ni Klein, which is yun yung pinaka nakakatawa. Kasi yung sa Samula, parang kami lang ni Andrea nag-enjoy. Kasi natakot yung mga bata. And guys, so nagpapahinga lang kami ng konti. And yun yung isa, yung swimming ng swimming. So ayun, magpipicture lang kami. And see you later. And guys, so nagpapahinga lang kami ng konti. And yun yung isa, yung swimming ng swimming. So ayun, magpi-picture lang kami and see you later. So overall, okay yung Grand Cenote. We like it. Nakaka-relax overall siya. So hindi katulad nung sa Mula sa Xkeken na medyo nakakatakot kasi sa loob talaga ng cave. Ito is parang open siya. Ito yung hole niya, guys. Oh. Mababaw yung hole niya, pero pwede kang mag-swimming underground dito, which is yung ginawa namin kanina. And it was a great experience kasi yun yung first cave swim ni Klein, and natapos naming 4, no? So masaya. It's gonna be a fun and great experience kasi naka-video din. Kaya nakakatuwa. So, ayun guys. So, nandun nga yung mga parang resting area sa taas. Doon ka rin makakuha ng life vest. And then, pagbababa ka, may dalawang walkway. Dito, saka dito. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa area na to banda. And pakita ko yung dito na area. So, ito yung area dito. May another. Ito parang ating diving spot to dito eh. Kasi doon medyo mabato doon. And then, dito ako kuha ng snorkel mo. Dito ako kukuha. And uy, hala, may pagong guys. Ayan oh. May mga pagong. Ang kulit. May nakikiswimming na pagong guys oh. Ayan, nakakatuwa guys. Ayan guys oh, may mga nakikiswimming na pagong oh. Ayan, chill lang sila dyan. Hello. Ito yung cenote talaga, parang one for nature. And ito yung ating diving spot. So pwede ka mag-dive dito. And look at the water guys. Oh. Blue na blue. And then pwede ka mag-snorkel. Oh. Makakita ka ng mga ano bang tawag nito? Isda sa ilalim. And then ito yung another mga pagong turtle din dyan. So nandun sila Klein sa kabila. So pwede ka mag-swimming dito sa kabila din. And overall guys, ang ganda ng experience. And yan, I think magre-relax na kami dito. And see you na lang later. Susubukan natin ipakita sa inyo. Sorry yung ilong ko natatakpan. Ipakita yung mga underground. So magda-dive tayo. Let's go.
Hindi nga makaka-dive kasi wala.
Aray, tuwaba na naman yung parto bato. Sakit. May nakita tayong isda guys. Isa pa. Success. May nakita tayong dalawang isda.
Wow. Ganda yung experience.
Ha?
Huwag nakagagaw.
Diba? Sabi sa'yo eh. Ayaw niya, natatakot nga siya sa isda. Dito tayo guys.
With the goggle, it's so clear.
So clear. Ayan. Okay. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale pala. Inhale lang pala. Inhale then. Sabong nga. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dive. Did you see something?
No.
I see 2 fish.
It's like the ocean.
Ay. Ha? Si mom naman. Ayun talaga si Klein na. Ikaw naman.
Papaano ko kay...
Si Andrea naman. Okay. 1, 2. Si Klein ba? 1, 2, 3.
Baba. Yung ulo ko?
Yeah. Ano yung ginawa ko?
Okay. Dito 1, 2, 3, go.
Ayan guys, si Muroami.
Baba mo lang.
Oo, game, I got you. Ayan si Muroami. Ano, may nakita ka?
Lalim nung Silote na to guys.
Bakit? Guys, so ayan. May under tunnel pa doon. Pero ito masyado nang madilim eh. Ayan. Masyado madilim and malayo. So, I think hindi okay dyan pag dyan si Klein. So, doon kami sa kabila. And abangan natin siya doon. So, ganda. May mga pagong pa yan dyan, oh. Ayan, oh. Ito yung turtle zone. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo mag-swimming kasama pagong. Hello, tumitingin sa atin.
Sa camera.
Bumula. Alright, have fun ate. So, nag-chill lang si ate dito sa hammock. Ayan. Me time niya daw. See you in a bit. Ayan, magsiswimming lang kami. Ni Claire, ni Klein, saka ni Andrea doon. Ayan guys, let's see. Hi guys! What's up? So ayan, update lang. Nag-enjoy na lang kami sa Cenote right now, sa Grand Cenote. And baka umuwi na rin kami maya-maya. Ang close nito is 4:45. And currently it's 4:05. So 40 minutes na lang, alis na kami. So siguro dito na namin tatapusin yung vlog for today's vlog. And maraming salamat. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo. And yung ginawa naming vlog dito sa Tulum. And ayan, ang sobrang nag-enjoy si Andrea, saka si Klein. And si Tiffany is nagre-relax na dun sa hammock. So ayun guys, maraming salamat. See you tomorrow. Meron pa tayong last day. Last day natin bukas, Thursday. And maraming salamat sa pagsama sa vlog namin. Travel vlog dito sa Cancun. Ingat kayo parati and God bless. Bye! Rain, video to. Say cheese! Ayun, yung dalawang magnanay. Nag-i-enjoy. Video to, Hal. Tignan nyo yung legs ni Andrea, ang puti, oh.
No.
Leave them alone.
Okay.